Hey friends, we are going to do some math. We're going to use a 10 frame. I got one right here. It was actually a 20 frame, but I hit it, turned it into a 10 frame. So we're going to use this and we're going to make some equations that we were doing, some simple equations of up to 5, okay? So just watch me for a bit, okay? So if I do this, can you see? All right, so those are my counters on my 5 frame. Well, it's a 10 frame, but I'm just going to use the top. So we know the top row has the 5 squares. So we're going to say it's a 5 frame we're working with, okay? So what would this number sentence be? I see some blue counters and I see some black counters. What would that number sentence be? Right. I'll write it right down here. 3 plus 2 equals, and what's the total? 5. Very good. You've got your 3, and then you add your 2 more. You've got 5. 3, 4, 5 all together. Great job. Let's do another one. All right, here's another one. How about if we do... All right, here's my counters. What would this number sentence be? I see black counters and I see blue. What would that number sentence be? Go ahead and tell somebody if you know it. So I first will take my 4 counters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus I'm adding how many more? 1 more, and all together, because the whole line is filled, is 5. Very good. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Nice job. Let's do another one. Okay. What about this one? Almost looks like the last one I did, but I changed it up a little. So I see blue counter and I see some black counters. So let me see. What would that number sentence be? Yeah, I've got 1, and then I added how many more? 1 plus 4 all together equals 5. Very good, guys. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Great job. Great job. So you guys can make up these sentences at home. You can even make your own 10 frame at home. So let me show you something. I just have this piece of paper here, okay? You can take any paper you have at home and you can just draw a frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. You have a 5 frame right there. I just drew it. And then you can make up your own. So you could say, you could make up your own sentence and you could teach somebody at home. So if you did, if you made that up, and then you could say, hey mom, look at this. Do you know what math sentence that would be? You could be the teacher. That would be fun. Or you could teach your little sibling or your brother or anybody at home. So let's do this one. Last one before I let you practice on your own. What would this math sentence be? I've got black, I've got blue. So I see how many? You see 3 plus how many more? 2 equals total. The total is 5. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay, so if you want to make your own at home, if you want to draw it out, do it. Send me a picture, but keep practicing. Great job.